Tabaco, and for today I'm going to operate an traditional sewing machine. So let's start. So after I use a traditional sewing machine, I realized that it's hard to operate it because there's so many technicalities that we don't know and a tailor or dressmakers only know, and we take a long time to know it. As the tailor said, we should control or maneuver the pedal appropriately because there's a possibility that our sewing will not be good, and also we should put the thread in their appropriate places because if we're not, there's a possibility that the thread will disrupt and tangle. So if we are using a traditional sewing machine, we should have a patience, the passion, so that we can finish the dress or the clothing that we are making. So that's all, and I hope you enjoyed the video.